Here, we see how to start a production job and issue materials to it. Select Confirm Job, then click on Manual Assign. The production BOM is now successfully assigned. Next, scroll down and click Start. The production job is now in the running state. Now, click on Check Stock to verify the availability of raw materials. A success message confirms that sufficient stock is available, meaning all required materials are ready in inventory. Next, let's issue the materials. Go to the Issue Manual station. Click Get to fetch the lot numbers for the raw materials. Select the appropriate lot number from the drop-down, choose the lot with the required quantity, and check the checkbox. Repeat this for all required materials. You can issue materials individually or all at once. Here, we are issuing all materials together. After selecting all lot and checkboxes, then click on Submit button. All raw materials are successfully issued to the production job. This completes the process of starting a production job and issuing materials. Thank you for watching.